Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to set up your profile on Telegram. So for this, I will open my Telegram app. Click on these three lines on the top left corner and there you will find my profile option. Click on my profile. So there you can add your personal information. So first of all, you can add your profile photo. So for this, you need to click on this icon. So for profile photo, I choose this image, adjust it in the circle and click on this tick icon. So now your profile is updated. Now if you want to change your name on Telegram, so click on this pencil icon and there we have your name option. So you can change your name from here. Next we have bio, so you can add your bio from here and then you can add your date of birth from here. So once you add all these editing here, click on this tick button and you are good to go. Next we have the three dots on the top right corner where you can edit your information. Then you can edit your profile photo. You can change the profile color. So if I add it, so to change this you need to get Telegram Premium. So I will skip for this now. Okay, also you can set your username for Telegram. So let's set a name. So this name is already taken, so I will add some numbers. As you can see, the name is available. Now click on this tick button on the top right corner and your username is set. Now to post photos, there we have add a photo option. Click on it and now you will be directed to your gallery. From here you can choose the image. So I will choose this image for now. Now click on next and your story will be uploaded. Also you can add privacy if you want. So who can view your story? You can choose it my contact, your close friend or the selected users. So I will go with everyone and click on post story. So now the story is posted. In this way you can set your profile on Telegram. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.